Wake up. While you're searching for ways to make money online, others are earning thousands of dollars by posting videos on YouTube. This YouTube channel earns up to $2,000 without showing a face, simply by creating shorts videos. Now, I'll tell you and show you how to make such simple videos without any video editing skills. You'll be able to create 100 videos in just 15 minutes. If you thought creating YouTube videos was time-consuming and challenging, then this video is for you. After watching this video, you'll be able to manage your YouTube channel, spending just 30 minutes a day on it. To create such a video, you only need ChatGPT and Canva. Let's open ChatGPT. As the first step, we'll greet ChatGPT and let it know what topic we'll be discussing today. Hello, my friend. Today we will talk about YouTube. When he responds and is ready, next, we need to specify what we specifically need from him and ask for it. Please write me 25 famous quotes of famous people about finance. Of course, you can request, for example, 100 interesting facts about celebrities or anything else that interests you. Next, we ask him to put these expressions into an Excel table format. Once we have all the necessary information, we're ready to create the video. Now, we need to go to canva.com. Here, we will be creating our videos. After visiting the Canva homepage, click on Video. Then, select the mobile video 1080x1920 format. We land on the workspace, and on the left, there's a tool panel where we can create any design we need. Here, we can choose a background, add text, upload our own photos or videos. But for now, we need to select a template. Choose the most suitable one from the list and proceed to edit it. At the bottom, there's a timeline where you can adjust the length of the video. I'll set it to 6 seconds. We remove everything unnecessary and add what's missing. I need to have 3 text elements. At the top, there will be the video's topic. In the middle, the actual quote. And at the bottom, my channel's nickname. We also adjust the positioning, change the font, color, and text size. After that, I duplicate the main text since my quotes will have 2 parts. Now, we separate our quotes by time so that they don't appear simultaneously, but one after the other. To do this, right-click on the text and select Show Timing. A purple line appears for adjusting the timing of text display. I set the first part of the text to 3 seconds and the second part to 2 seconds, with 1 second of space between them. This is a little trick where most people may not have time to read the second part of the quote and will re-watch your video, which is great for increasing the duration and number of views. Next comes the most interesting part. In just a few clicks, we will turn our template into 25 ready-made videos. We go back to ChatGPT and copy the table. Now, we click on Apps and find the Bulk Create option, then select Enter Data manually. A window with a table opens, and here we need to paste the first 25 quotes from our Excel table and click Done. Next, we see 2 items that need to be matched. To do this, right-click on the text, select Connect Data, and match them to the corresponding fields. After this, you will see 2 blue check marks, indicating that all items are selected and ready. We press Continue, and then Generate 25 pages. After a few seconds, we get 25 ready-made unique videos with our quotes. And now you might be wondering if you can use the same background for all the videos. I'll show you how to replace the background for a ready-made video. To do this, go to Elements, search for Videos, and drag any video you need. Then, click on the 3 dots and select Replace Background. This way, you can quickly change the background to match the video's theme. Now, when we're finished, we click on the Share, Download button and make sure to check Download pages as separate files before clicking Download. Ready? All you have to do is repeat this process with other quotes, and in just 15 minutes, you can have 100 unique videos on YouTube. If the video was helpful, please write about it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.